In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase FPS with MSI Afterburner. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. MSI Afterburner gives you control over many aspects of your GPU, CPU, and fans. It will allow you to tune the voltage, the core clock, memory clock, which in turn can give you more FPS. Before I begin recording this video and explaining this process, I want to make it very clear that you should do this carefully because you can potentially damage your GPU. But don't worry, the method that I'm going to show here is fully safe to reproduce. But don't go crazy messing with these sliders, especially the voltage one, because you can actually damage your components. So you can download MSI Afterburner from the official MSI website, and another tool that is recommended to download in conjunction with Afterburner is MSI Combustor. This is going to be used to stress the GPU, which allows us to fine-tune the overclock settings. If you want to increase your FPS, you must overclock your GPU, which essentially is going to squeeze out a little bit more performance out of it. So you shouldn't mess with the voltage at all. When you open MSI Afterburner, do not mess with the voltage because the return is too little. Unless you absolutely know what you're doing, I wouldn't recommend this at all. Another thing that I want to highlight is if you want to, you can simply use the OC scanner. This is going to be an automated overclock feature built into Afterburner, and it will essentially do all of the work for you. It is fully safe to use, so it will always nail down the perfect amount of overclock without going too hard. But the performance gain isn't going to be as good as doing it manually. So the very first thing that you should do is change the fan here, power limit and temperature limit. Make sure that you increase these. These are completely safe to increase, so you can just turn the slider all the way up. Next, you have the fan speed. If it is on automatic, make sure that you disable auto. So tap the A icon and now you will be able to move the slider manually. So theoretically, you could increase the fan speed as much as you want. But of course, there's going to be a lot of noise. So that's the trade-off. At this point, with the power limit and temperature limit changed, it is now time to mess with the clock. So the core clock and memory clock. For this, open MSI Combustor and run the stress test. You don't have to worry about changing these settings. Just make sure that your GPU is selected, choose the resolution that you are going to be playing on, and then you can run the stress test. Or you can use one of these presets here. Doesn't matter, just double check the resolution and GPU. Now, with the MSI Combustor benchmark running on the background, you can adjust the settings on MSI. So you can bump up the power limit and temperature limit to the maximum. The fan speed can be however much you wish, as long as you can tolerate the noise. If you can go to 100%, that's wonderful because it is going to lower the temperatures. And for the core clock, what you want to do is increase this in increments of 20. So try to do plus 20 and then save. If it is stable, then go to plus 40. If it is stable, then save again by choosing this button here and then repeat. Eventually, your GPU is going to start artifacting and you will notice that the MSI Combustor benchmark is going to start freezing. At that point, you want to go back 20. So let's say, for example, it started crashing at plus 60, go back to plus 40 and leave it here. For the memory clock, this increase won't be as much. So if you don't really care about minimal increases, you can ignore this. But the idea is completely the same. Start by increasing it by 20, then 20 again, 20 again, until you notice that Combustor is crashing or freezing. Then you go back 20, choose that option as the final clock, and then save the changes. You can save it as a full preset here, so if it ever goes away, you just need to import the file that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to improve FPS with MSI Afterburner. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.